I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing the best source, RAW if available, because it preserves detail and dynamic range. Open the file in Camera Raw or Lightroom to correct exposure and white balance. This improves recoverable detail. Once done, open in Photoshop, duplicate the background layer, and convert it to a smart object so your edits remain non-destructive. Make sure to set the document color profile to match your output intent. That prevents unexpected color shifts later. Now you enhance perceived sharpness and control noise without creating artifacts. First, run Camera Raw filter, raise texture and clarity modestly, then reduce noise with luminance and detail sliders. This preserves edges. Next, create a merged copy, apply high pass at around 0.5 to 2 pixels, and set the blend to overlay or soft light to sharpen micro contrast. If skin or fine textures need precise work, use frequency separation so you can retouch color, and to finish, apply Smart Sharpen for controlled edge enhancement. Use Remove. Lens blur and fine-tune the radius and amount while checking shadows for noise. Once satisfied, if you need upscaling, use Preserve Details too. 0 and then apply output size sharpening to avoid over-sharpening. Export in 16-bit TIFF for further edits or maximum quality JPEG for delivery. If you see halos or excessive noise, dial back the sharpening amount, reduce high pass radius, or reapply selective noise reduction to problem areas and reassess.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.